long do you have to file a wrongful death suit?
Okay. Is a statute of limitations on that, and how does that work?
Yeah. In Florida, it's 2 years for the statute of limitations on a wrongful death lawsuit, and basically it just means you have 2 years from essentially whenever it happened to either file the lawsuit or get a settlement. And a lot of times I think one thing they don't really understand is the lawsuit doesn't have to be over within 2 years, right? I mean, you could file the lawsuit the day before the 2-year time limit, and then the case could take another year or two, but you're fine.
The filing is the important part.
Filing the lawsuit before the 2-year mark. But if you wait till one day after that 2-year mark, then you lose all your rights.
Okay.
And so it's important that you go and see an attorney well before the 2-year timeline. For multiple reasons, but especially in wrongful death cases, there may need to be an estate that has to be set up, which takes time before you file the suit. What if one of the persons at fault is a government entity and you have to send notice letters 6 months ahead of time? I mean, there's just different legal hoops, essentially, that we have to jump through in some of these cases. And with a 2-year statute of limitations, you don't want to mess around. You want to get that to an attorney at least a full year before that statute of limitations runs.